Hello fellow rosarians, thank you for joining me today. I wanted to share a spotlight on one of my favorite roses. It's not in circulation anymore, but you will be able to pick this up from some of our small businesses as they are propagating, and this is Radio Times. Radio Times is such a pretty David Austin, and it always shocks me when I see this one bloom and I think, why in the world did they discontinue this rose? It's just really a great bloomer. It's healthy, it's black spot resistant. So if you have an opportunity to pick up Radio Times, I really want you to consider it. It is a great rose. Highly petaled, fragrant, and disease resistance. You can't beat that. Thanks so much for joining me, Rosebuds. I'll see you in the next video.